Hello, my dear friends. Today, let's drift to an island so beautiful, it feels like a painting come to life. An island where vibrant traditions are woven into every moment of the day, and where peace isn't just a feeling, but a way of life. We are traveling to Bali, Indonesia, often called the Island of the Gods. Here, the air is filled with the scent of frangipani and incense, and every sunrise brings a gentle reminder of harmony. Get ready to experience a truly immersive and peaceful day with Putu, a young artist who embodies the spirit of Bali. Our story begins before dawn, in a quiet village just outside Ubud, Bali's cultural heart. Putu, named firstborn as is common in Bali, wakes to the soft chirping of geckos and the distant sound of gamelan music, a traditional Balinese orchestra practicing for a village ceremony. She rises from her cool bamboo bed, the air already warm and humid. The very first thing she does, even before making herself a cup of sweet black coffee, is to create her kanang sari offerings. This simple act of devotion, done daily, is beautiful advice on starting your day with gratitude, no matter where you are. With nimble fingers, Putu weaves small, square baskets from fresh palm leaves. She then carefully places colorful flowers, red hibiscus, white jasmine, yellow frangipani, rice, and a few small treats like cookies or candies inside. A stick of burning incense, its fragrant smoke curling upwards, completes the offering. She places these small, beautiful gifts on her family shrine, by the house temple, and even near the street. These daily offerings, called kanang sari, symbolize gratitude to the Hindu deities, and a way to maintain balance in the world, embodying the Balinese philosophy of Trihita Karana, harmony with God, humans, and nature. As the sun peeks over the lush green rice terraces, painting the sky in fiery oranges and soft purples, Putu sits on her porch, sipping her coffee. The steam rises gently, carrying the sweet aroma. She watches the light slowly spread across the fields, hearing the happy sounds of roosters and the distant splash of water from a nearby irrigation canal. This peaceful morning moment is a powerful motivation to find your own quiet space each day, even for just a few minutes, to appreciate the simple beauty around you. Would you enjoy this kind of life, surrounded by such natural beauty? After her morning rituals, Putu helps her mother prepare breakfast, often a simple but delicious nasi campur, mixed rice with a few small side dishes like spicy sambal, fried tempeh, and vegetables. The flavors are fresh and vibrant, a true taste of the island. As they eat, they share stories and laughter. This strong sense of family and community is at the heart of Balinese life, teaching a valuable lesson about the importance of connection and shared moments. What brings you peace where you live? Is it the connection with your family or something else? Later in the morning, Putu walks to the village temple. Today, she is helping to prepare for an upcoming festival. The temple grounds are alive with activity, but there is an underlying sense of calm purpose. Women in beautiful sarongs are meticulously arranging elaborate offerings, while men carry intricate bamboo structures. The air hums with the soft sound of conversation and the occasional chime of a bell. The dedication and artistry in every detail are truly inspiring, a testament to deep faith and community spirit. For lunch, Putu enjoys a simple bakso, meatball soup, from a street vendor, sitting on a small plastic stool. The warm, savory broth and bouncy meatballs are comforting. She watches as motorbikes whiz by, sometimes carrying entire families or huge stacks of goods. Even amidst the occasional busy sounds, there's a gentle flow, a relaxed rhythm that defines the Balinese pace. It's a reminder that peace can be found even in a vibrant, lively environment, if you carry it within you. In the afternoon, Putu dedicates herself to her craft, painting. She is known in her village for her vibrant watercolor depictions of Balinese dances and temple ceremonies. Today, she works on a piece showing a legong dancer, capturing the intricate movements and colorful costumes. The focus required for her art brings her into a state of flow, where time seems to disappear. It's a beautiful example of how creative expression can be a profound source of peace and self-discovery. As the sun begins its slow descent, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, Putu heads to the village rice paddies. The air is cooler now, and the setting sun casts long shadows over the terraced fields. Farmers are finishing their work, their figures silhouetted against the glowing sky. The gentle breeze rustles through the rice stalks, creating a soothing whisper. It's a moment of profound beauty and a quiet lesson in the timeless connection between people and the land. In the evening, after a light dinner, Putu and her family gather to watch a traditional shadow puppet show, Waywang Kulit, performed by a Dalang puppeteer from a neighboring village. The intricate leather puppets dance behind a backlit screen, telling ancient Hindu epics. The rhythmic gamelan music and the mesmerizing storytelling fill the night air. It's a cherished tradition, a magical way to end the day, fostering a sense of wonder and shared cultural heritage. The moral of Putu's story, and indeed the essence of Bali, is this: harmony isn't just a concept, it's a daily practice. It's about consciously connecting with the divine, respecting nature, and cherishing human relationships. Even in the midst of daily life, we can choose to infuse our moments with gratitude, creativity, and a sense of shared community. Bali teaches us that a rich life is found in balance, in the small offerings, and in the vibrant tapestry of tradition. I hope you enjoyed this tranquil journey through Putu's day in Bali. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below and tell me, what was your favorite moment from Putu's story? And where in the world would you most love to live a quiet, peaceful life, perhaps inspired by Bali's gentle rhythm? If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe for more peaceful and inspiring stories from around the globe. Until next time, find your own quiet corner and let peace fill your day.